what is the secret ingredient? It's the parameters. But how do we obtain these parameters? Remember, the prompt you enter in LLMs is similar to your order, and the instant response you get is like receiving your meal. But how is it prepared so fast? Before you pull up to the drive-thru, the kitchen has prepped most of the ingredients. This is what chefs refer to as mise en place, meaning everything is in place and ready for use. Buns are pre-made, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese are pre-sliced, and so forth. Similarly, LLMs have a pre-training stage where they prepare components like parameters cooked from internet data, your neural network for predicting next word, and the code, the special instructions for running the neural network. So, how do we obtain these parameters? Let's say we want to make a GPT model with 175 billion parameters. Here's what we need to do. First, you collect a large amount of text, like 45 terabytes, from various internet sources. Just imagine collecting all kinds of text from different websites. And then you take this massive dataset and feed it into GPU clusters. These are powerful computers designed for running big workloads. You buy thousands of these GPUs and then run them for a couple of weeks to months. And this would cost you millions of dollars. What these GPUs are basically doing is compressing this huge internet data into what you can think of as a kind of a zip file. The output of this process are the parameters. These parameters capture the internet's knowledge, but they can't be restored to their original data form. It's like trying to extract ingredients from a cooked meal. So once you have these parameters, you feed them into the neural network. Basically, these neural networks are just trying to predict the next word in a sequence. To summarize, LLMs undergo a pre-training stage where the secret ingredients, the parameters, are prepared by compressing huge amounts of internet data using GPU clusters. These parameters are then fed into the neural network for predicting the next word. In our next cooking session, we'll explore how all the different components of LLMs are combined together to make them talk like Shakespeare. Alright, it's time for a parameter hunt. What term describes a compressed file that cannot be restored to its original content, especially in the context of LLMs? A. Irreversible zip. B. Lossy compression. And C. One-way data. Note, the clues to the answer are hidden in this video. Alright, time to wrap things up here in the kitchen. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave your answers to the quiz in the comment section. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Learning and happy eating.